Stirling Falls coming up ahead of us here, folks, 150 metres high. Named after Commodore James Stirling on the HMS Cleo. Now we will take a closer look at the Stirling Falls right now, folks. So if you are out the front deck there, please beware that you will get wet under this waterfall. Protect those cameras. If it's not waterproof, it really shouldn't be under the Stirling Falls. We will be closing the access door as well for the ones down the front there. You will be under this waterfall for the time, as we do not want to get the electronics wet up here at the wheelhouse here. So Dylan will be closing the door, but it is well worth being down there, folks. It is truly well worth being under the Stirling Falls. Not too many places in the world you can be under 150 metre waterfall. Early Maoris named it Waimanu, translated into English meant cloud resting on the water surface. They also attached a legend that any maiden was touched by the spray of this water, they'll wake up the next day looking 10 years younger. What a spectacular waterfall, folks. We'll now slowly approach it, so do take care with any non-waterproof